Again, it's time for The Law and You. Joining us today, we have attorneys Harry McGrath and Greg Fellerman back for more free legal advice. So nice to have you in studio.
Nice to be here, but I know the viewers are worried about Eddie. He's healthy. He's safe.
He's taking a deposition today.
He is. He's a hard worker.
He's living the life, really.
He works hard.
He sure does.
He does travel a lot, though.
But while he's not here, we still are giving you free legal advice. Let's get on to it. This comes from Susan in Harvey's Lake, Greg's neck of the woods over there. Susan says the fire escape at her daughter's apartment collapsed. I'm afraid it will happen again. What can I do?
Well, we actually have dealt with these kind of situations in the past. You see it a lot on college campuses where you have these multi-level apartments that a bunch of students are staying in. You may have an absentee landlord, and those fire escapes are old to begin with in most instances. So the landlords have an obligation to make sure it's safe, and that includes having it inspected on a regular basis and trying to determine if there is a piece of the equipment that's either rotting or becoming unsafe for some reason. So if your daughter sustained an injury as a result of a collapsed fire escape, it's on the property owner. It's their responsibility, and Greg can tell you what we do to kind of make sure that gets...
We've handled a lot of building collapse cases. We had a big one down in Berwick. We've had a couple others throughout northeastern PA. You also see them in vacation rentals a lot. You see a lot of these collapses. Too many people get on that, and there's a collapse. So I mean, if you are involved in one of these or one of your family members, you got to pick up the phone, give us a call, because we have a team that goes out of engineers, investigators to look and see what happened, and then make sure certain things aren't done. For example, in the Berwick case, we actually had to go to court and stop them from tearing the building down the next day. So then that was very helpful in helping us work through the case, because we were able to actually do an investigation. I think we did a drone flyover, we did all kinds of different things, but we were able to preserve the evidence that was needed, and then I believe the building was torn down shortly thereafter. But
that's right.
The courts understand that it's important to get in there. We need the evidence. We have a right to the evidence, and you got to do it.
All right, sounds like time is of the essence with these cases. So pick up the phone, give them a call, find them online. If you have questions for The Law and You, go to PAHomepage.com.